Okay, we just turned the boat on, and as you can see, we got the trim tabs going down. 632 miles. I just started it up. 175 gallon tank. I burned 141. That's gallons per hour. These have all modes on them. This is my gas gauge, and it shows you miles per hour. It's been calibrated. It's a mile an hour or two off at 25 miles an hour from the actual GPS. That's my binnacle control and my key switch. So you get the control, the key switch, the gas gauge, the fuel management gauge, and the RPM, miles, hours gauge on it. Good.